Okay, we should be live though.
Okay, okay. Let me go to my page and then look for... Hindi tayo nag-test.
Hindi.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Okay, we should be live. Okay, we are live.
Okay. We're live?
Ah,
We good.
Live. Oh, cheers.
Wait.
Okay.
Boy! Wow!
Para we need to have a good cheers. Hindi pa rin tayo nakakuha. So
Oh.
the last time we did it, you were looking here
Oh.
instead of the camera.
Okay.
Okay. But we use the other hand, I suppose.
Yeah!
Okay.
Lefty.
Okay.
PCB! Getting shit-faced na naman mga kabigos.
Again.
Jesus Christ!
Let's pause a bit. PCB.
PCB!
Yan.
Getting shit-faced na naman mga kabigots.
Okay. Sige. So anyway,
Oy!
let's see. Oh!
What the fuck? We have
Yes.
what? 5 audience?
Yeah.
Actually 3. Kung
Yeah.
isusubtract mo yung atin.
Hindi ka naman.
Hindi kasi hindi
That's
sila-
not counted.
Hindi sila normal that we're doing it on a Saturday. Nalilito sila eh. Nalilito
It's
yung
a
audience
Saturday.
pare.
Apologize. Ginawa namin na Saturday.
Oo.
You know, it needs to be on a Sunday, pero...
Ginawa natin Saturday. We needed to do
nagsabi
this
na
on a
ako.
Saturday.
Nagsabi na ako, wala na eh.
Dami nangyari the past week pare.
Marami ba?
Napag-uusapan natin. Hindi naman ganun karami pero significant.
Ano ba nangyari?
Significant. Hindi. Nasa slides.
Ako, wait. Ano ba gusto mo muna? Balita muna? O yung...
Balita muna.
Sige, forward
Balita
natin.
muna. Pero, relax muna tayo.
Wait. Ito, DDS News. Yan.
Hindi ko alam yung sunod-sunod.
Kita natin yan.
Oh.
Sorry, medyo lasing namin.
Nakainom kami, aga natin nagsimula.
Maaga.
Normally, hindi pa tayo, ikaw nag-aalaga ka pa ng ganitong oras.
Grabe ang payat natin sa video.
Hindi mo binukas yung yellow light, pero sige.
Sinento ko sa mas masiit.
Sige. Masaya ako ngayon eh.
Ba't masaya ngayon?
Here with my girlfriend dito sa studio natin. Shout out.
Okay. So, bakit mo sinasabi yan ngayon? Nasaan mo yung girlfriend mo?
Kasi baka meron akong mga nagawang mistakes kanina.
Ano ba
Na kailangan ko mag-overcompensate ngayon.
Para sa mga jokes mo, di siya tumatawa.
Exactly. Ang hirap magpatawa ngayon. Guys, alam ko na mabilis kayo matuwa sa amin, pati yung ano namin.
Mabilis kayo matuwa
Mabilis kayo matuwa sa amin. Pero may mga may mga audience pala na mataas yung standard nila ng comedy. Including dun yung
So mag-ano lang kayo, no? So guys, usual, this is our Sunday show, we move it to Saturday, so we just call
Pero today lang to. Today lang to. So masusunod sa Sunday pa rin. Okay. Balatan naman natin to, pare.
Sige, natin, PCB.
Getting shit-faced na naman, mga kabigots. Unahin ko na, pare. Thank you sa lahat na nagpa-follow ng page. Nasa 30,000 na tayo.
30,000 na tayo!
Guys, ang goal natin is umabot tayo ng 1 million bago 2028.
Kaya yun.
Kailangan yun. Hindi siya kaya. It's a necessity. Pare. Alam mo bakit? Kasi kailangan natin na before mag-election, kinukuha na tayo sa mga channels. Hindi. Nakakatawa yun sa thinking mo, pero dapat kailangan yun. Kasi yung mga contemporaries natin, pare, contemporaries natin.
Sila sikat na
Sikat na sila eh. And tayo nagsimula tayo 2017.
Para shoutout natin sila Jesus Falsi,
Si Heydarian, si Nutriban, mas later pa dumating yan.
Later pa yun, pare si Roganda Sasot, pare.
Si Sas.
Oo, si Sasot.
Oo.
Nagpunta pa tayo sa...
Meron tayong politikon
with her.
na
Pero meron din mga nawala, pare.
Sino?
Yung abogado ng mataba.
Hindi, buhay pa yun.
Hindi, nawala na siya sa scene.
Nawala siya sa scene kasi...
Sino yun? Si prosecutor.
I can't even remember.
Kaya,
Parentahin na ako para hindi ko maalala. But there's that guy.
Pero pare meron din mga lumaki. Pare ngayon Peanut Gallery na yun.
Peanut Gallery, hindi, si Mabanta yun.
Mabanta.
Mabanta yun.
So, alam mo yun, gano'n naman talaga.
Our point is, please like, share, comment, bagas tumataas yung engagement, okay? And, we need the traction and we need the momentum. No, seryoso. We need the momentum going to, kasi dadaanan natin ng impeachment and then papunta tayo sa elections, kailangan natin yan. Okay? Alright! Having said that, simulan na natin ang diskusyon kasi 29 nanonood.
Oh, meron na. Pare,
Comment
si
mo na.
Claribel Del Mundo Gabinete.
Cheers! ECB! ECB!
Sharon May Lugaton. Ang cute yung dalawa.
Thank you! Salamat po!
Thank you. Cheers.
Salamat po. We appreciate.
Cheers.
We appreciate. Natatawa yung girlfriend ko. Natatawa! Hoy, hindi lokohan ha!
Ang thing kasi is, for male guys, for straight male guys, sobrang bihira tayo makakuha ng positive affirmation.
Actually.
Pare, ito sinasabi ko sa'yo. Naalala ko pa yung mga nagsabi sa akin ng mga papuri, pare.
Papuri!
Oo, pare. Yung mga affirmation.
Oh.
Positive affirmation since pare siguro grade 4 ako.
Oo.
Ganun siya kakonti. So,
Bilang na bilang.
Oo, pag may
Bilang na
nagsasabi sa akin ng mga positive things, maraming salamat. I appreciate it.
Actually, kaya ako madalas ako pumunta sa palengke. Kasi ang tawag sa akin, uy, pogi! Hoy, madalas ako mamalengke pa.
Seryoso ba yan?
Oo.
Dahil na mahirap ka ba?
Oo, laking hirap ako pa.
Hindi ngayon.
Mahilig akong pumunta sa mga talipapa.
Biro lang,
Uy, hindi biro yun!
Hindi,
Mahilig
ibig
ako
sabihin.
pumunta sa mga
Ibig sabihin ko
talipapa.
sinasabi ko.
Yung mga sinasabi
Cheers,
mo.
cheers. Please.
Oo, kasi politically incorrect si Jason talaga. Anyway, let's go!
So,
Unahin na natin!
Unahin natin. So this is a 3-part episode. No, so meron tayong 3 parts dito. Hindi ko alam kung tatagal tayo, hindi. Pero first part is the top news on the DDS universe.
Oo.
PCB.
Paano natin PCB? Paano natin natawagin ng DDS verse? They have their own bubble.
Kaya-
Pare. And pare yung manosphere sa United States. Di totoo to. Magasphere or DDS verse. Meron silang maliit na bubble na hindi ka makakapasok doon unless parte ka ng kulto. Okay? Hindi mo magigets yung paano ba to? May mga things doon na nangyayari na parang for an outside looking person, outside looking
Ay, ang tanga nun ah.
Hindi na to make sense. Pero sa kanila, sa mga members ng DDS Universe, parang it flows like
So
like the ocean.
ang point nito is using our investigative
Oo.
and journalist skills.
Skills to.
So, pare, pinasok namin.
Trinay natin.
Trinay natin, pasok yung
Oo.
DDS Universe
Oo.
and gagawin namin to weekly.
Okay.
We will give you news from the DDS Universe every week.
Oh,
And this is the first episode of
the
that.
first episode of that.
Okay,
Okay,
ready na tayo. First news.
First news.
Okay, Congressman Paulo Marcoleta is looking stupid.
Okay. Ito pa pare, malupit dito. Congressman ko na nasa DDS Universe. Hindi niya pala alam. Okay na
Panoorin natin. Guys, let's watch
Let's watch
this
it.
together.
Let's watch it.
Here when the rules were promulgated.
This
I was not
has
furnished a
been the
copy.
rules of impeachment of the 19th Congress, which the 20th Congress adopted.
So it's not new.
This has been part of the previous rules, which were used during the past impeachment processes.
Opo, kasi bago lang po sa akin yung sufficiency. Hindi ko po narinig yan sa mga dating proceedings. Yun lang po. Salamat po.
Pare! This is news! This is news to him!
So, this not you!
Anyway, para sa mga hindi nakakaintindi po siguro, yun po ang anak ni Senator Marcoleta na apparently is a congressman.
What was that, bro?
Hindi niya daw alam pare na may sufficiency in grounds.
So, say, baka gusto mong bigyan ako.
Ang context po ay meron pong isang miron. Alam niyo ba yung mga miron? Yung hindi sila kasali. Pero marami silang comment. Si Paulo Marcoleta ay isang miron sa Committee on Justice. Tapos tinatanong niya, ano ba yung sufficiency in ground? Bago ba to? Sinagot siya ni Chairman Luis Tron na, hindi, last Congress pa yan.
2 seconds. Alam ko importante ito pero dumating ang asawa ko. Wala akong check.
Sige. Anyway, dumating ang asawa ni Jason. And like all proper gentlemen, kailangan itigil ang business as usual. Just to acknowledge the significant other.
Sorry,
This is the right thing to do.
Kakawila na asawa ko, sorry.
Alam niyo ba kung saan galing yung asawa ni Jason?
Wag na.
Nagtrabaho yung asawa ni Jason!
Habang kami nag-iinom.
Habang kami she had to go somewhere that involves a flight. But Jason, since 4 o'clock nung dumating ako, sabi niya, inom tayo. And you can imagine yung hard work ni Jason sa bahay na to.
Anyway,
Balik tayo.
balik tayo. Okay.
Sige,
So, ang sitwasyon is, si Paolo Marcoleta.
Paolo Marcoleta.
Natakot sa malakas na hangin. Kasi baka
Hanginan eh.
Pumasok siya dito, parang dinedebate niya, uy, hindi niyo ba ito alam?
Oo, hindi
Di ba
niyo ba
parang mali ang sinasabi niyo?
Oo, mali ang
Tapos
sinasabi
sabi
niyo.
sa kanya ng Justice Department, tama ka ba? Ganito na dati pa.
3 years, 4 years ago, ito na yun eh.
Tapos pare, sumagot pa siya eh. Parang hindi ko alam yan. Hindi. Mali ka. Mali ka. Tapos sumagot ulit siya. Okay, hindi ko narinig yun.
Ganon.
Naku, pare.
This is very unique. Parang unique sa mga DDS verse. Kasi ito yung tendencies nila eh. Papasok sila, alam nila yung totoo, and they get slapped with reality. And then,
Hindi pare ganito. Itong mga DDS kasi, more than being correct, ang importante sa kanila is being where the spotlight is.
exactly.
Yun yung issue dito Kaya nga tama ka eh.
Oh.
Meron sila eh.
Meron.
Di ba? Parang ano ba pinag-uusapan dyan? Sali ako.
May alam ako dyan! Uy, hindi ko pa narinig yan!
Diba? Parang, teka lang. Sali ako, pero suot ko lang yung wig ko. Wait. Bibigyan ko kayo ng gift that will make you happy.
Correct.
I-search nyo ngayon si Paolo Marcoleta sa Google.
Google.
Tapos tignan ninyo kung ano yung lalabas na picture.
Matutuwa sila pare.
Pare, so
Pare, ito ang malapit dyan.
Wait, pwede ko bang gawin ngayon?
O sige, andyan sa'yo yung control eh.
Isa-search ko. Ito siya guys. Ito. Pupunta ako ngayon sa... Wait, ito. Papayit ako sa inyo. Ito search ko. Nakikita nyo, tinatype ko, nag-type ako ng P, by the way, wala kayong nakita. Paolo Marcoleta. Tignan nyo lang.
Ay di! Parang nalugi siya dito, pare! Teka lang
Sinong gumawa?
Hindi, pare. Galing yan sa Wikipedia. Obviously, may nag-edit nito. Na mukhang hindi from the DDS universe. Hindi ko alam kung...
Para siyang create player. Para siyang create mong player sa 2K, pare. Tapos kalbo. Anyway,
balik tayo. Comments muna. Bago tayo pumunta sa pangalawa. Comments muna tayo.
Okay. Tone Lopez. Good eve po. Watching from the Queen City of the South. Kakabing here for life. Cheers!
Salamat.
Ikaw. Pero pag sumusahin.
Basahin ko, asa na yung...
Alagpas na tayo.
Shout out from Denmark. Uy, pare, international na to.
Denmark.
Sorry.
Pero alam mo, yung mga Denmark na yan, may Denmark din dito, pare.
Diyan.
Sa Ilocos, may windmills din. DCB.
Ano yung DDS Multiverse? Pare, in-explain namin. Ito po ay isang echo chamber na puro DDS lang ang member.
Pero hindi siya multiverse. Universe lang. Isa lang. Kasi narrative lang ni Duterte. Wala silang mga opinion dito.
Ayan, ang sabi nga ni Sinik Gamad, ang multiverse na DDS ay Cartoon Network.
Ulit na! Nanakawin namin yung joke, ang multiverse, pare.
Ang DDS.
Ang multiverse ng DDS, pare, is the Cartoon Network.
Mabuhay kayo, salamat. So it's not new. What do you mean? Oh yes. Good eve po. And lakas ng trip yung dalawa, takot sa malakas na hangin. Correct yan. Actually, tumaas ang kay Marcoleta, may budget ang piluka, pero walang budget ang haircut. Na-shift niya yun eh.
Tayo na to si Marcoleta, pare. Para siyang part ng Addams Family. Ay, no. Meron pa ba?
No, it's okay. I think I've...
Wait, baka meron ba? Kasi syempre, parang nagko-comment sila. Kailangan
Sige
natin
na nga!
Eden Calaminos. Cheers!
Cheers.
Every time mag-cheers, umiinom kami. So, wag mo kami lasingin.
Actually, hindi cheers. PCB dapat. Dapat ka ng ano.
Ah,
Okay, anyway.
hindi ko alam kung paano basahin.
Nabasa na
pero,
natin,
pero
pare.
mabuhay kayo. Next.
Uy, tangina 39 viewers. Maraming salamat ha. Uy,
Ah.
this is the most we've gotten ha.
Hindi. Pare, nung mga 2020...
Hindi ngayong recent. Is what
Pare, nung nakaalala ko, 2020, 2021, nababot tayo mga 300.
Tayo na tanda mo na pare, ganyan sinasabi nung panahon ko. Panahon ko yan eh.
Ay, no.
Anyway, tuloy na natin.
Yes. Laida Reyes, sobrang happy watching you both. Watching from Hong Kong.
Ay nako,
PCB.
international talaga kami. Ay,
Oy, gusto namin pumunta dyan kasi anak ko gusto ng Frozen. So, yeah.
ano kinalaman ng Hong Kong doon?
Hong Kong Disneyland.
Oo, sila. Linawin mo pare.
Ay, wait, good evening din from Aklan, PCB.
PCB. Okay, anyway. Oh, punta tayo sa susunod.
Next, ano next natin? Next. From the DDS News Network, which is apparently the Cartoon Network.
Cartoon Network.
Ang next news is...
Here when the rule.
Next. Ito. Duterte donations for his...
Meron.
Nakita nyo ba?
Hindi kaya ko lang ito nakita. Ano yung gusto mangyari nila dito?
Okay, so, ang sinasabi nila dito is, well, ito, may post dito si Kifi Chu. Na, anyway, so, nag-post siya na, so, para daw sa birthday ni Digong, humingi sila ng donation para bumili ng rosas.
Bigyan nila ng rosa si Digong?
para bumili ng kasi may
Ba't patay na ba?
Hindi, pare.
Okay pa.
May rosas ang bukas.
Ay!
Lady yun, pare!
Lenny yun.
Anyway, ang sinasabi nila is, humingi sila ng donations para kay Duterte. Sa birthday ni Duterte, para daw maganahan naman si Duterte.
Oh, kailan birthday?
Hindi ko alam. Kailan ba birthday?
Sabi
March
niya,
22.
And Flower Foam
Oo.
is March 22. Oh,
So, ang sinasabi nila, humihingi ng donations para, alam mo, para sa galing sa mga OFW, galing sa mga karaniwang Pilipino, humingi sila ng donations para dito sa para kay Tatay Digong.
Para kay tatay?
Oo, pare. Kasi,
Magkano daw?
ewan ko, pero
Nakalagay dyan,
70 pesos.
Ay,
Pare, $1. Diba? Humingi sila ng 1 USD sa mga Pilipino para bilan ng rosas.
si Digong.
Pare. Kasi alam naman natin, mahirap si Digong. Wala siyang
Actually, wala siyang
rosas.
And also, bibigyan nila yan sa karton. Kasi hindi naman nila pwede ipasok yan doon sa piitan eh.
Piitan. Pero ganito, bago kayo mag-donate kay Duterte, dito, gusto lang namin ipaalala ang video na to na nangyari kailan lang kay Duterte. Okay? Ang video na to, pinapakita na si Trillanes, pare, tsaka si Duterte. Ano nangyari dito?
Pare, they'd rather see this, pero nakikita natin dito ang bravado ni Digong.
Ang nangyari dito kasi pare, sinasabi ni Trillanes na, uy, buksan nyo yung mga bank
Bank
account ni
accounts.
Duterte kasi may pumapasok dyan na pera galing sa droga from China. Di ba? Tapos
While
sabi ni
While nangihingi sila ng donasyon, si Duterte,
kumikita ng bilyon sa
Pero-
China. Pero panoorin natin.
Panoorin
So, ang
natin.
nangyari is, sinasabi ni Trillanes, uy, Duterte, buksan mo yung mga bank accounts
throwback
mo.
to kasi birthday.
Throwback.
Throwback to
Buksan
kasi
mo
birthday.
Buksan mo yung mga bank accounts mo, ito yung pagdodonatan ninyo ng 70 pesos.
Oh.
Ito. Sabi ni ulitin ko lang, sabi ni Trillanes na, uy, Duterte, palabas mo yung mga bank accounts mo kasi sigurado ako marami dyan mga anomalya.
Anomalya.
Okay. So, anong sinabi ni Duterte?
Kung may totoo lang maski isa, I will hang myself in front of you.
Gusto mo yun?
You can summon, I will sign a waiver.
sign a
All banks.
waiver.
Pati yung World Bank ng Amerika. Kung may isang totoo lang nakiting, I will resign and I will ask my daughter to resign and everybody in the family.
Wait, so ang sinasabi niya, sinasabi ni Duterte
Oh.
na isa-sign niya kahit ano
Oh, exactly.
para lang patunayan na hindi siya nagdakaw ng pera.
World Bank of America.
tingnan natin kung ano nangyari.
sige, sige.
Tingnan natin kung ano nangyari.
That is my guarantee. And I will hang myself.
He will hang.
Will the former president be okay that if we draft the waiver now, that it be signed today instead of tomorrow? Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Boss mo. So, ang offer.
Ang offer,
So, guarantee mo. Pare ikaw si Duterte.
Oh.
Guarantee mo. Sign mo yung waiver. Magbibigti ka. Magbibigti ka.
Oh.
Sign mo yung waiver.
Oh,
sabi
sa
logic
kanya.
lang. Sabi sa kanya nung
Oh.
committee, if we draft the waiver now, will you sign it?
Isa-sign mo na ba
Sign
ngayon?
mo. Eh, pakita
Tingnan
natin.
natin. Ano sinabi? So sabi ni Duterte, alam mo yun?
Anong guarantee?
I will guarantee na sa-sign ko yan.
Sign ko yan.
Oh, sige, tingnan natin.
Sign ko yan.
Tapos sinabihan sa kanya, sige po, gagawin na namin.
Pero
Sign
isulat
mo na
namin.
ngayon.
Sign mo na.
Ang sabi niya, nawala.
Kung may totoo,
Teka lang. Sira. Sira yung momentum.
Sinabi.
Okay, tuloy.
Ayan,
Ayan.
yan.
Hindi,
sampalin ko siya sa
Wait,
publiko.
wait, wait.
if we draft the waiver now,
Yeah.
that it be signed today instead of tomorrow, will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi,
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon na. Sampalin ko sa publiko.
Session suspended.
Gusto ko yung may nag-text na 80-80 na bobo!
Hindi pare, sobrang nakakatawa to kahit wala yung 80-80 kasi nakakatawa dito. Sabi ni Duterte, kahit ano yung pasign nyo sa akin, sasign ko yan. Tapos sinabi sa kanya, o sige, isahin mo na. Sabi niya, ano ka pala, sampaling kita. Sa publiko.
Sa publiko.
So ito yung binibigyan nyo na 70 pesos.
Oo.
Yung tao na may bilyon-bilyon sa bank account na ayaw man lang niya ipakita sa tao kasi puro galing sa suhol, nakaw at droga. Pare,
Actually, hindi galing sa droga yan.
galing saan?
Sa confidential. Hindi natin alam. Kasi ayaw nila pabuksan.
Wait, nagsasabi tayo dito ng mga bold statements.
Oo.
Hanap tayo ng mga karamay na makakasuhan. Tingnan natin ang comment section.
Hindi. Gusto ko yung mga bold statements.
Sige, hanap tayo ng mga karamay na makakasuhan kasama natin.
Okay, ano may bago ba dyan? Oh, si Papu.
Si Papu De Leon, congrats sa bagong camera.
Hindi
Wala kami
bakit hindi bago to?
camera.
Pero open kami sa contribution.
Ito rin, cellphone ko pa rin lang yan.
Okay.
Siguro nagbago lang ng layo. Hello po, sobra happy. Ay, hindi, naulit na yan. Wala
bago.
comments.
Ayaw nila ano.
Okay, ano pala, shoutout kay Papu kasi idol namin na Spit.
Oh,
Kasi,
idol lang ni Spin.
Spit.
Hindi, meron silang bago.
Pare, mag-host sila ng improv comedy.
Alam mo, ito lang
Oh.
ito, sinasabi ko Papu, kung nakikinig ka ngayon. And eventually,
Ah.
makikita mo to.
Ah.
Pag mayroon kayong slot ng guests, merong potential na 2 tao na improv ang comedy, na weekly nagsushoot, na may sariling page na 30,000 and counting ang followers. Ang galing nila sa improv. Bigyan nyo kami na anong tawag nila ng stimulus? Hindi, sa improv kasi yung yes and. Yes and. Bigyan mo kami ng feed. We will feed on that yes and. Hindi ko, kilala mo to, Papu. I assure you. Kilala mo to, Kuya Paps.
Kuya po.
Kuya Paps. Teka, tayo magka-batch. Kuya mo si Papu. So I call him Kuya Paps. Kuya Papu.
Anyway, Papu lang na anak.
Kuya Papu.
Ikaw, manggagamit ka ng tao, tapos gagamit ka kuya.
Hindi ngayon, kailangan magalang ka kapag nangingi ka ng sponsorship.
Ay, no?
Pero ilagay nyo kami dun sa mga political parts ng show ninyo.
I know, pero basta ako.
Anyway.
Idol ko yung mga yan.
Oh,
Kasi
man.
pare, nakakatuwa sila. And they have really grown the improv in the...
Correct. Hindi, actually, if you think about it, sila yung bumubuhat nga eh. Sila, I've searched the internet. Wala namang kayang tumapat dun sa
Spit
buhat na
Manila.
ginagawa ng
Okay.
Spit Manila.
Sige.
Okay, next.
Proceed. ang haba nung speech mo.
Dahil nung commercial na yun.
Kaya nga.
Hindi, kasi kailangan natin yun. Pare, kailangan natin yun.
Okay.
Anyway, next!
Ay, ito malupit to, pare. Walang video to.
Oh.
Pero pare, malupit pag-usapan.
Okay.
Kasi pare, si VP Sara.
Oh.
Diba? Kasi ito, si VP Sara tumatakbo siyang president.
Mm.
So, she is in a position to, alam mo yun, talagang really broadcast her platform.
Correct.
Diba? And of course, pare, if you're a high-profile person, syempre gusto kang kausapin ng maraming mga institutions.
Exactly.
International institutions, government institutions.
Correct.
Tingnan mo si Lenny, pare, kung saan-saan siya
Si Lenny
nagsasalita.
papunta sa international forums.
Oo, pare.
Nagsasalita tungkol sa mga improvement na ginagawa niya sa
Pare,
Naga.
At ito pare, mayor lang to.
Mayor lang to.
So lalo na si VP Sara.
You would expect.
Pare, she would go to the highest levels.
I would suppose.
Di ba, interviews.
We should agree.
So, sino nag-interview kay VP
Si
Sara?
Banat Bay. Putek. This is where you will really understand kung ano they are really just trying to consolidate the powers within the echo chamber. Bakit?
Oh,
Sabi mo nga kanina nung nagiinuman tayo, merong cracks na napo-form.
pero pare,
Merong cracks!
Una-una, tama ka doon. Pero gusto ko muna itong
Sige.
Nakakahiya. Alam mo yung VP ka,
Oo.
tapos ang nag-interview sa'yo, naka-baseball cap. Tsaka naka-shades.
Correct.
Diba? Tapos ang pangalan, Banak B.
Correct.
Diba? Habang yung isang mayor, pare na naka-pink. Diba? Pupunta sa Japan,
Nasa Taiwan.
sa Taiwan.
Um,
pupunta siya sa iba't
ito
ibang lugar.
malapit doon.
Oh.
Tinatanong si VP Lenny kung ano yung technology that they developed. In her city to help the people. Ano tinatanong kay Sarah?
Ano?
Anong mas masarap, pandesal o sponge bread? She couldn't even give a proper answer to that. You tell me. You just tell me. You tell me. And
Hindi ko
pare,
alam pare kung mas nakakatawa ka ngayon or lasing
ka. And if you're being interviewed by a person who calls himself Banat, Banat, how low? I mean, this is where we are. Itong baseline. You have to be interviewed by
Tapos
this
pare,
guy.
in-interview ka, tapos yung headline pare, VP Sara, may banat!
Sa mga ex-marines. This is where we are. This is our reality right now.
And parang breaking news yan ah. Just-
breaking yan.
Ay no, pare. Anyway, so yun, that's the DDS news from
This
the
is
Cartoon Network.
From the Cartoon Network. By the way, alam namin na galing din sa Cartoon Network yung Igit News by Tio Moreno, pero it's too crass to put into this channel. Ano, this channel is already crass. But
we still have standards.
we have principles. We will not go down. They call this stooping down to their level. We wouldn't do that. Because you know what? We're educated.
Pare, we are the types of people that do not post their Rolexes.
Exactly.
We just wear them.
And we don't say 16K lang ang sweldo mo. 16K lang sweldo mo. We don't do that.
Kasi empleyado namin na.
Siya yun.
I don't pay that low.
No. He doesn't pay that much. Sa kanila, basic with pinapalo niya ako para tumigil ako. Anyway.
Oy, pare, meron kang gustong
Tio
ipauso
Ano?
na segment sa atin.
Okay. Guys.
Pauso mo to.
Pauso ko to. We will start a segment sa aming vlog. Vlog. Jason wastes 2 minutes of our time because Jason is a right-wing conservative Christian.
Wow!
And he doesn't believe in liberal values such as women empowerment.
Shoot tayo!
Exactly.
Tumigil ako! para kunin yung bag ng asawa ko, pare. Tapos,
What? So now you're justifying that you're not a conservative Christian because binuhat mo yung bag ng asawa mo. Who, by the way, dumating na dito and could have easily put her own bag on a table, but that's your contribution, okay? Anyway. And nandito tayo sa point na to kasi nga, we're shooting this. Yesterday lang po ay Eid al-Fitr para sa mga kapatid natin, Muslims, pero in a few days, less than 2 weeks, magkakaroon na
hindi to
naman.
plan, by the way. Hindi ko alam kung ano sinasabi
Hindi! Exactly! Kasi nga, Jason wastes 2 minutes of our time, di ba? Pero napapa-explain tayo kay Jason ng mga Christian concepts. Alam, ang pangalan kasi ni Jason ay Christian Jason.
Ano yung Jason?
Jason Christian! 16 years! 15 years ko itong kaibigan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung una. Okay. Papa-explain natin ang meaning ng Holy Week kay Jason in less than 2
Grabe
minutes.
naman ang laking concept nito, pare!
Pare, devout Christian ka.
Hindi, pare, kala
This is
ko-
our Lent episode.
Hindi, ganito. Pwede mo bang paliitin yung question?
Paano?
Malaki yung question eh. Mag-nitpick ka ng one thing. Mag-nitpick ka ng one thing.
Pare namatay. Okay, o sige, magninitpick ako. Ang sinasabi ng mga alive, kaya sinasabi lang, alive forevermore. Hindi naman namamatay ang Diyos taon-taon. Ang problema sa mga Katoliko, iniisip nila na sa panahong ito, pag pumunta ka sa simbahan, sa panahong ito, tinatakpan nila si Jesus. Kasi patay si Jesus. At lalo na sa Black Saturday. Okay, Black. Hindi na Black
Bawal
Saturday.
mag-swimming.
Bawal mag-swimming. Hindi ko naiintindihan. May nagsasabi pa, bawal daw maligo. Hindi ko gets. Hindi ko rin naiintindihan. Sunday, buhay bigla ang Diyos. So, ang kritisismo, pare, ng Katolika, simbahan Katolika, Romano Katoliko, taon-taon ba daw namamatay ang Diyos at meron kang tinatawag na Pasko ng Pagkabuhay? Oh, now, the 2 minutes of Jason wasting our time starts now.
So, ang dali lang nun, pare, hindi yung totoo.
Hindi siya namamatay taon-taon!
Hindi.
So, ano ginagawa natin?
Pare, this is a reminder. So, parang yung ginagawa as a reminder of what happened. So, we do, di ba, hindi tayo kumakain ng karne or we do some penitence. Just to remind ourselves, pinagdaanan to ng Diyos. Diba? Tapos tayo rin, we want to live that. Kasi, pag inaalala natin yun, we realize that even God went through sufferings and put himself, or at least Jesus is a guy, so I call him, no? Put himself in a situation where he's vulnerable, where he suffers, in theory, for the sins of the people, and gave his life, in theology pala, no? For the sins of the people. So ang point nun is to remind us, in this season, na, everybody goes through pain, everybody goes through suffering, and it's a point for us to reflect on our own suffering and also other people's suffering. Kaya natin yung ginagawa lahat.
Okay.
Hindi dahil namamatay yung Diyos taon-taon, pero it's just a reminder na, sit back, atras ka ng konti, tignan mo yung paghihirap mo, tignan mo yung paghihirap na iba, and then, think about it and find ways to be able to to be able to go through it with other people, and then and ideally, di ba, become a better person and be born again as a better person afterwards.
Dami sinabi dyan, from 36 viewers, 26 na lang. Which tells us that you're truly wasting 2 minutes of our time. Anyway. May question ako dyan. So you say, every year we need to being reminded that for God so loved the world, He gave us His only begotten Son.
And then,
Pero pare,
sorry.
don't we know that the entire time?
Hindi, pare, that is one thing. No? Pero ang mas pinag-iisipan dito is the suffering that has been...
And we're not reminded every Sunday about that?
Probably yes, probably no. Pero ang point nito is a season to really devote ourselves into, thinking about that.
Okay.
So, yun.
Sige na nga. Okay.
Oh, pare, wala nang
Wala
nanonood
nang
sa
nanonood.
atin.
Oh, sorry.
Balik na tayo sa topic.
Balik na po tayo sa topic.
Balik na
Comments
tayo.
muna tayo.
Pare, ikaw nag-invento nitong ano
Oh,
nito eh.
comments muna tayo. Okay. Comment. May bilang ba yan si Banat? Di namin alam. Di namin
Ano?
alam. May bilang pa ba yan si Banat ba? Hindi
Anong
namin
bilang?
alam. Di ko alam. Bilang ng
Followers
or...
ito.
Yeah. Oh, Sharon May Lagutan. Lagwatan. Highest level of interview by Banat who?
Wait. Ito. J. Vincentino. Ganun pala ang meaning ng testing the Catholic faith. May pa-quiz.
BCCB!
Pare, demonyo ka pala. You tested my faith.
Pare, isn't that the point of Christianity?
Ano?
Testing your ability to live the life
No.
that is
The point,
filled with God.
the point of Christianity is to live a life of guilt. Anyway.
Oh my God!
Anyway.
You're missing the comedy here. You're missing. This is a
Anyway.
it lives up to the name. Pare, may konti lang instances that you live up to the name of politically correct bigot and the entire idea behind it, and this is one of them.
Pare, malapit ako.
Pare,
Next. Carlo Borromeo. Good evening, mga lords. PCB.
Oh, PCB.
Mga comment kung inom.
Oh, sige. Ay!
Belkin. Teka lang, tapusin natin.
Hindi ko nakikita rito eh.
Belkin. Nice discussion, mga idol.
Salamat!
Ano mo ng newest?
Saan ba? Hindi ko
Ewan ko eh. Pero anyway.
Hindi, pare, naka-live. Nanonood ako ng live natin.
Ako rin eh.
Hindi ko nakikita.
If you tuner, ako, akin na.
Sure.
Ganito siya. Yan. Hindi ko alam.
Nagmamagaling ka eh! Anyway, 24 na lang.
Anyway.
Tayo.
Wait. Basahin lang natin. Bisa pare, nagpakahirap sila
Hindi ko
mag-comment.
makita dito.
Yan, ako na magbabasa.
Oh, sige ko na.
If in tuner ako men, asa ng siopaw? Sorry, hindi ko gets yung ibig sabihin. Asa ng siopaw? Hindi ko rin gets. Okay,
Hindi namin alam.
Sharon May Lagutan, biggest bluffer of all-time young si Dudes. PCB, tama.
Tama.
Okay, sige, tuloy. Okay, dito na tayo.
Huwag nyo kami lasingin masyado. Oy!
Okay, next.
Anong next na segment?
Next segment, top 3 characteristics of the new DDS.
Okay, pare. We've seen the DDS from 2016. Nag-evolve na sila. Hindi sila nag-evolve pala.
Pare, ang malupit sa mga DDS ngayon, may new wave.
Actually, if you compare it to the dinosaurs,
Hindi pare, kung
it
ikaw,
took them 260 million years.
hindi pare, ang laki kasi, compare mo to sa 2016, 2017 DDS.
Oh.
Siya yung DDS ngayon.
Mm.
Ibang iba eh.
Iba-iba.
Oo pare, and that is what we're gonna discuss today.
Malalaman natin ang
Malalaman natin ang new
isang
characteristics.
archetype ng DDS.
The new DDS.
Nakikita nyo lang kasi sila Joey DeVivier. Nakikita nyo di mo kilala? Si Kifi Chu. Nakikita nyo yan, yung mga si Sas Rogando. Pero, anong itsura nung, sabi nila, 30 million daw. 30 million. Pero ang nag-sign lang sa petition ni Joey DeVivier, 260,000. Wow!
Hindi, malay mo parang walang ballpen.
Online!
Pare, baka free Facebook.
Free Facebook.
Medyo lang.
Joey DeVivier.
Ay, so, top 3 characteristics of the new DDS.
Mga bagong DDS. Mga tangang DDS.
Top 3!
Top 3!
They are homophobic, but also somehow gay.
This gets me every time because Harry Roque is there.
Alam mo yung nakakatawa sa mga DDS? Ang una nilang banat palagi. Badingga.
Sa page natin,
Sa page natin.
lagi nila tayo kinikriticize daw na LGBT.
Una, hindi criticism mag-LGBTQ.
Correct.
Diba? Wala akong mali doon.
We embrace,
Pero pare,
somehow, love needs to win.
callback
Ay, we like that!
from a joke before the show.
Hindi, pero it gets me to think. When you're in the minority pala, you need certain concepts to win.
Pare, kaya ka na pagkakamali ng LGBT sabi, it gets me to think.
I thank my girlfriend for not thinking that.
Joke lang, joke lang.
Ah.
Then, ang point is, ito yung nakakatawa pare, yung mga DDS, sobrang nila homophobic, parang lahat na lang. Una-una, they feel that pagiging LGBTQ is negative.
Okay.
And then, pinagbabatong nila yun as an
Tinatapon nila sa atin.
As an insult. Diba? Tinatapon nila, uy, bading kayo, etc. etc. Which is quite weird because their leaders are gay!
Pretty gay!
Wait, bading ba ito si Tio Moreno?
He is!
Okay, so,
He is
Iba siya?
He is not trans.
He's anyway, so yan, si Tio Moreno is
Si
gay. Sas is trans.
He's
Tama,
trans.
trans LGBT.
Ah,
Pasok siya doon.
trans.
So, Sas is LGBTQ. Harry Roque, look at his face!
We don't judge.
Sorry. Harry Roque is not gay. Meron lang siyang hinahire na taga-inject ng insulin niya.
Correct.
Sorry.
And obviously,
Sino yan?
si Jingoy.
Jingoy.
I like this guy because he goes to the he goes to the cracks.
He goes to the bottom of things.
Bottom things. We
Okay,
like.
so ito yung siguro one of the ironic things about being a DDS. Kasi you are homophobic because you're stupid. That's normal, di ba? If you're homophobic, definitely you're stupid. But your leaders are also gay.
Yeah.
Hindi ko nga dito
It doesn't count. It doesn't it's not that it doesn't.
Hindi ko
count.
nga linagay dito para yung picture ni Sarah eh.
It doesn't. Actually.
Di ba? Hindi ko nga linagay yung picture ni Sarah dito eh. So,
We don't get this honestly that you use. Actually, I get it because the DDS verse, the Cartoon Network, they use ad hominem to attack you if they cannot understand your argument, and yet they don't realize that the same characteristics that they demonize are embodied by the people that lead their movement.
Hindi,
Hanay.
Hindi, pare kasi ganito. If what you're saying is, ang una nilang gustong gawin is mag-ad hominem, pare, bakit pagiging bading? Ang dami pwedeng i-insulto sa atin, pare.
Hindi, pare, honestly, okay lang. Anong pang i-insulto nila sa atin?
PC!
Sorry.
Pare, ang dami, pare. Nakita mo na ba yung arms mo, pare? That's women arms, bro.
Exactly. Pero
So,
nakita
ang
mo na,
daming
okay.
ad hominem.
Pero nakita mo na ba si Banat Bay? You compare him to me! I'm like,
Kaya nga ako,
you
pare.
compare Banat Bay to me! It's no contest.
Pare, ako tuwan-tuwa kasi may nag-ad hominem sa akin. Na sobrang pasok eh.
Oh.
So, alam mo yung sabi sa akin?
Ano sabi
Kasi
sa'yo?
Pinagtatawanan ko pare yung mga DDS kasi
Oh.
pangit sila.
Oh.
Tapos may nag-reply, nakakahiya naman sa itsura mo nung nakasalamin ka. Yun yung ad hominem, pare. That's how you do the ad hominem.
Exactly.
Why do you go the gay thing, right? Lalo na kung leaders mo LGBTQ. It's kinda weird.
Pare, can I just... I don't know. Is it there? I don't know. The Granada. It's a Granada. Alright.
Oh, so okay na tayo dito.
Alright.
Okay, sige,
Basta
next.
personal preference, guys. Ito na lang siguro. Rule of thumb. If you're not guapo, don't call people pangit. It's what I'm going to say.
Pare,
Because
pare, ang hirap talaga ipagtanggol na
Ang
hindi
hirap
ka LGBTQ.
Bakit?
Pare, sabi mo, okay. Pag hindi ka gwapo, okay. Pare, what are you doing?
why are you judging my gestures? Why you judging the way I say things?
Alam mo na,
What the fuck?
It's a joke.
Anyway.
He's not gay. He has his girlfriend here.
Anyway, gay beard. Anyway, next.
It's not true.
Next.
It's not true.
Anyway, next one. Top two. Number two.
Basahin mo na yan.
They are proud.
Not to be called DDS.
Oh, this is the weirdest of all.
It is.
It's the weirdest of all the
It
things.
It is.
So
Hindi ko natapos
many.
yung copy-paste ko ng pictures.
Pero sa si Tio Moreno dito.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano ka ba?
Hindi ko natapos yung
Okay.
copy-paste.
Just to enumerate the number of people who do not identify as DDS but who parrot the DDS material online.
Hindi, ang sitwasyon
The fuck?
ang sitwasyon dito kasi they want to pander to the base of Duterte. Pero alam nila, kadire na ma-brand na DDS.
Diba? Pare, ito yun eh.
Oh.
Na-mention na natin ito
Oh.
before. Ginagamit nila. Sorry guys, DDS. Medyo tanga kasi kayo eh. O kapag, ito kayo eh, tanga kayo, tapos, okay, konting sabi lang, oy, ganito, ganyan, or pro DDS kami, or, oy, si tatay. You embrace it. That's the problem.
Hindi ako alahin dito sa sinasabi niya. Siya lang yan, opinion niya lang yan. Okay, sige.
You embrace it. Parang binigyan kayo ng kakarampot, tapos bigla niyong ine-embrace. And yet, they will claim na hindi sila DDS. Marami na kami nakita yung example. Ito na nga.
Hindi kasi
Si
pare.
Guanzon. Si Leviste. Pare, even Tio Moreno. Imagine that this is the guy who has been defending everything and anything about the DDS. He even claims na hindi siya DDS. But he goes to forums, he talks in functions in defense of Tatay Digong. Why? And Regal Oliva garnered your support.
Oh, yun.
Your
Tama,
support.
Tama.
And then made one video that tells us Tatay Digong has denied the human rights of other people and it's biting him in the ass. And when he published that, suffered the consequences of it. Okay? So now, sabihin na lang natin totoo, medyo utu-utu po kayo. Utu-utu kayo. And these people, because they know that, they have the ability to get your support and likes. So tumataas yung kanilang following, Toby Tiangco, Leviste, everyone else. At the same time, because they don't want to be identified with you because maybe you're stupid.
Ako ito ang ano dyan.
And there's
pare. Hindi, ito ang thing kasi dito. Itong mga to pare, meron yan dalawang buhay eh. Meron silang political life,
Okay.
meron din yan personal life.
Okay.
Okay. So alam naman natin, looking at these people sa level nila, which probably are in our circles, pare, kung maging DDS ka, kadiri ka.
Actually,
Di ba? So ang ginagawa nila is they will pander to the DDS para at least their political side is winning.
Correct.
Pero hindi nila sasabihin DDS sila para hindi sila iwanan ng mga kaibigan nila.
Correct.
Yan yun eh, pare. Ito. Di ba? Yan sila Tiangco, yan sila Leviste, pare. Si Leviste, pare, Harvard to eh.
correct.
Di ba? So, pare, itong mga si Guanzon, UP yan eh.
Correct.
So, yung mga circles nila, yung mga kaibigan nila, syempre pare, mga anti-DDS eh.
Correct.
And ayaw nilang mawala yung mga kaibigan nila. Pero, gusto rin nila ng boto. Gusto rin nila na mag-pander sa inyo. So, bibigyan kayo ng pakonti-konti itong mga DDS na to. Para lang, alam mo, nandun sila. Ganun kayo ginagamit ng mga hinayupak na to. Alam mo, masama yung mga Duterte. Pero at least nandyan sila sa inyo palagi.
Correct.
Itong mga to, mas malala pa to sa mga Duterte kasi ginagamit lang kayo pag madali sa kanila, pero gustong-gusto nila kayong iwanan pag hindi na madali para sa kanila.
Pare, I have a question.
Oh.
And I know you know the answer to this. Bakit ba kasi nakakadiri matawag na DDS? Bakit nakakadiri? Ito pare si Tio Igit Moreno ay nahanap na may ginawang masama sa isang spa. Ginawa niya na yun
Okay.
And yet, ayaw niya matawag na DDS. Pare, so, shitting on the bed is actually higher than being called a DDS. Bakit nakakadiri maging tawag DDS?
So, ang
You
sinasabi
tell
mo
me.
pare, nung tumae siya sa spa,
Ayaw na spa.
okay lang yun.
Oo!
Okay lang,
Okay
tinanggap
na
niya yun.
yun! na yun!
Pero hindi na tatanggapin na tawaging DDS.
DDS! Bakit? You tell me!
Hindi kasi pare di ba? Pag DDS ka na, hindi ka na makakuha na higher level.
Correct.
he's not gonna get higher level cock pare pag naging didesto siya. So, okay lang tumayo ako sa spa, pero hindi ako DDS.
Hindi ako DDS. And unfortunately, the DDS, they don't have the ability
Okay.
to be able to understand that they're one being used,
Okay.
and two, that they like it. They like being used. Unfortunately, siguro may pagkamasonista kayo, we don't know. But you guys like being used like this!
Mali yun.
Alam mo kung bakit?
Oh.
Bakit? Naniniwala pa rin sila na si Amy Marcos would actually support them eventually. I mean, have you met this woman?
Hindi pare, hindi nila gustong maging used. Pero probably to give perspective also para sa mga kakamping natin na nanonood. Ang sitwasyon kasi, the DDS family is a community, lalo na sa mga OFWs. And these people, dahil malaya sa pamilya nila, they want communities and they feel strong within
Oh
groups.
my God,
So,
I'm
yun yung thing about
Jason,
this.
I know that you mean well, but I am so tired of this justification to belong. There are other means to belong to a community, pare. That's just, I'm tired of it, bro. At this point, I know that you're all, siguro when we have a guest, we could ask them, how do we deal with it?
Sige pare,
Pero!
ito na sa top 1.
Dapat! Alright!
Okay. Top 1 news! They band together for
Coordinated bullying.
PCB.
Explain mo.
Oh, pare, nakita natin si Granada, pare. Si Lovely Granada. It is a anti-DDS
Correct.
vlogger who is based on the South.
Yes!
Pare,
Na hindi nila alam na dati pala yung panty ng Jensan. Nagkalituhan.
Hindi, yun nga yung sitwasyon, pare. This is a Bisaya. Na, na anti-DDS. So, medyo, hindi siya, kakaiba siya. Diba? Kasi pag Bisaya ka, Duterte eh.
Kala nila ganun.
Oo, pero pinapakita ni Lovely Granada na hindi lahat ng Bisaya bobo. Medyo lang. So, yun yung
Gusto kong mag-react, pero i-cheers na lang kita.
Hindi. So, ito ang nangyari. So, si Lovely Granada, sa lahat ng sinabi niya, ng sinabi niya, isang beses pa, may nasabi siya na medyo tagilid.
Ano daw?
Sinabi niya yung Jensen daw, part of whatever, di ba? Na probably wrong, probably right. Hindi yun yung issue. Alam mo kung ano yung issue dito pa? Sobra nilang parang naging big deal sa mga DDS.
Oh.
Naging fact-checker sila bigla!
Biglang nagmamatter sa kanilang facts!
Bigla nagmamatter sa kanila kung nasan yung Jensen.
Correct.
Di ba? Nagmamatter sa kanila yung facts. Di ba? Pero pare, yung mga facts ni Duterte.
Everything else.
EJK,
Hindi nagmamatter.
pare, pag nakaw, pogo, hindi nagmamatter yun sa kanila, pare. Pero si Lovely Granada, pare, nagmamatter sa kanila.
Number one,
Oh.
I like the fact that her name's Lovely. Because I love her
She's
already.
nice.
Love her already. Number two, when they researched, she was right!
Okay.
That there was a time na yung Jensen was part of that
I
part.
agree.
Exactly.
Pero ang point ko kasi dito, it is not even that eh.
Exactly.
It is not about being right about that very minute thing. Wala namang kwenta eh. Well, whatever. How can you like focus on being right on that? Pero yung mga bagay katulad nga, yung mga pinagagawa ni Duterte, ni Sara, hindi yung issue sa inyo.
Correct.
Diba? And ang mas alarming dito pare is the coordinated bullying.
Yes.
Alam mo may makinarya pare behind it eh.
You gotta give this to pare ito lang.
Oh.
If there's one thing that I'm gonna give to the followers aside from their stupid, they band together like zombies in a zombie apocalypse, trying to kill all the living human beings. Pare,
All the thinking human beings.
all the thinking human beings. It's a
brains.
sheep people. At the end of the day, I have never seen a more coordinated group of people
Okay.
other than the DDS. They say, let's attack Ann Curtis. Let's do that. Okay? Let's attack Senator Ontiveros.
They do that a lot. They do that a lot.
Let's attack-
Sabi na PhilHealth shit.
Let's attack the picture of Lenny. Let's attack.
Oh.
It's it suspiciously looks like somebody is coordinating it to me
Diba?
as an outsider.
So what you're saying is that possibly looking at probability,
Yes.
there's a group of people
That
that is
is-
well coordinated,
Correct.
that follows an organization,
That has a script.
and most likely most likely has monetary gain
It's very possible
to do this.
to do this.
Are you saying that Russia is involved?
I wouldn't say, but what I'm going to say is the pink verse is disorganized.
It is. Parang wala ka tayo
Wala tayo. And maybe there is a lesson to be learned here.
Ibig sabihin nun, like, follow, and share.
Other than that,
Ano? What?
we need to maybe
What?
have lunches and dinners together and post. Because this is what they do. Pupunta sila, kakain together, magsasign ng mga documents together, kikichu.
Alam mo, sinabi mo na yan sa akin. Idiretso mo na lang yung gusto mong sabihin. Sige, ano
Hindi,
gusto mo
wala.
sabihin? Hindi, meron akong gusto sabihin. Meron akong gusto sabihin.
We should organize! Hindi, pare.
Pare, alam mo yung nakakalungkot? Feeling ko pare they're organized. Hindi lang tayo
Hindi tayo
kasama.
kasali.
Hindi tayo sikat.
Kaya malala. And I say this with love and all the degree of activism that I can summon. Riza, if you're watching, gaano karaming likes ba ang kailangan?
Ito. Pero I think, we've been making this issue about everything else, even about ourselves,
Yeah.
but not about the people who are bullied, just like Lovely Granada. So, Lovely Granada, I know we are a little bit unorganized, and then we are facing, a group that is coordinated to bully
Correct.
people who go against their opinions. No? One thing that we would want to say is that, man, with the very little influence and clout that we have,
Okay.
we got your back, motherfucker.
Yes. No. Actually, maganda rin kung maimbitahan kami sa Billionaire News Channel.
Sorry, nakakahiya eh. Nawawala yung class natin. Parang nagpumunta tayong Banat B.
Cloud chaser ako eh. Hindi niyo ba ba clear sa inyo before? Matagal na yan.
Probably let's end by,
Matagal na yan.
reading comments. Let's end by reading
Let's read the comments. Last batch of comments.
Okay,
Paano ba?
sa tingin ko, maraming DDS ang alam naman na nilang nabudol sila. Kaso, kahiyaan na lang siguro.
Actually, totoo to. Pare, it is a laughing matter because you're stupid. But, yeah, nahihiya sila na mali yung choice nila before. This is the good thing about being a camping also, because we suffer the consequence of our true nature of just really admitting that we're wrong.
Ang term dito pare is sunk cost.
Sunk cost.
So, when you invest something na sobrang dami mo na na-invest, meron kang nasa isip mo na, uy, hindi ako pwede mag-back out kasi ang dami ko na
invest eh, laki na eh.
Dami ko na
Laki na
nilagay.
masyado.
So, I'll just ride on to it up to the end. Which is a wrong theory. If you're losing money, you pull out. Diba? You
That's what they said. Also. No, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. No, but seriously. There's this skit in SNL na yung isang nanay has been supporting Donald Trump in the United States, and I think it's the same also.
Nah.
That it is not wrong to understand that you made the wrong choice before, because, and I say this with all humility and with all the faith in humanity. The cracks are showing in the DDS verse, sa Cartoon verse.
Cartoon
Network, and the reason why Lovely Granada is very important right now is because there was a thinking before that yung South, yung mga Bisaya, yung mga taga Mindanao, very solid na Duterte, di ba? Ngayon, nakikita na natin na ang movement ay hindi yan totoo. And she is one of the manifestations na pwede nating ma-infiltrate yung kanong thinking. Now,
Motherfucker, man! That's a good insight, bro!
Exactly.
Pare, you need to be proud of yourself!
I'm proud. We want you guys to. Jason says we have the open arms. We are okay for you to change your minds. It's not wrong. There is time. 2028 is 2 years from now. There is time to think, to look at things, to look at facts, and make decisions out of it. That's just all I want to say about that. Anyway.
Pare, you have a good message. I don't wanna speak anymore, so
Yep.
good for you, man.
Yeah, thank you. PCB, Getting Shitface, mga kabigots. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Thank you. Are we done?